Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Right, and today we are going to talk about the LTSC edition of Windows 10. And if you have question, what is the LTSC? And LTSC is an servicing model. Customers can delay receiving features or updates and instead of only receive monthly and quality updates on their devices. The LTSC edition of Windows 10 provides consumers the access of deployment option for the special purpose of devices and environment. And in the simple, it don't work like the normal computer. It is just made for few uses. Yeah, it's just for like improvement. If you use only Microsoft Word or other software, then you have to install it because it's just like medicinal machines. Yeah, it's just for few works. Now we are going to install it, so I have given the link in the description. Go from it and fill up your information and download it. It can take some time for downloading. It's downloading. After downloading it, please open your Rufus, and Rufus, then select your ISO image, then make your printer bootable according to your partition scheme and start it. And it will take some time. Then after being that, okay, mine is started copying ISO files, and it will take some time. Wait. It's finished. It's about to finished. Yeah, then after copying as a file, here shut down your computer. Yes, going to shut down. And put your bootable USB on your device. Power on and press the bootable key. Now USB is ready. Go there. And then select your keyboard input method. Next, install it. Yeah, then accept the license terms. And I want to say that I have teach that deleting Python and so many things in the Windows 10 installation process. You can watch this if you want to install that Windows 10, if you don't like LTSC edition. And it is the LTSC edition, so it will install your Windows first. So here my installation process is fast. Now it's going on. Yeah, if you want to install other operating system, or if you are getting trouble, then please contact me on Instagram. Yeah, our team will reply you and about your doubts, and it will restart after it. After restarting, leave it to what it wants. Yeah, and if you are getting some things that I have so in this video, then you can contact me. I'm saying so many times, I will not talk about Instagram. Yeah, that's it. Getting ready. Then wait for it. Yes sir, we on my computer. It's opening your operating system now. We have done almost 80%. Now here, select your region and your keyboard layout. I will actually international. Skip it. Then connect to your network. Yep, I'm putting my password. Now it will take some time. Then sign in. Oh, this these are not everywhere possible, so you have to go from local. If you have the school account or OK account, you can go from that, but I don't have it, so let's local account. Confirm your password. I don't want to remember my password because I am just installing for a video. Now you can add some things. Yeah, things. Oh, then to settings. Yeah, just a moment. Hello. Here we're getting everything. This might take several minutes, okay, and this will take more than 10 minutes, I think. But no, leave it to us, okay. Almost there. Now, congratulations, you have installed your Windows 10 LTSC edition, and all the user interface is different. Now, this is our Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC edition. Bye, guys. Meet you in our next video. Thanks for watching.